Today we're going to be looking at how to convert kilometers into meters. For question number 1, we're being asked to convert 3 kilometers into meters. Now looking up top here, we can see our conversion, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So whenever we're converting kilometers into meters, we're going to multiply the value of our kilometers by 1,000 in order to convert them into meters. So for question number 1, we have 3 kilometers, so we're going to multiply 3 times 1,000. Or another way to think about this is we're making 3 equal groups of 1,000. Well, that's going to give us 3,000 in total. So when we convert 3 kilometers into meters, we get 3,000 meters. So now moving on to question number 2, this time we're being asked to convert 12 4/10 of a kilometer into meters. Now, this one isn't going to be quite as straightforward as our first question because there is a decimal here in the kilometers. But there is a little trick that's going to help us here. So returning back to question number 1, we started out with 3 kilometers. So we're going to write our 3, and there is a decimal place to the right of this whole number. We typically just don't write it. And here's where our little trick is going to come into play. So we have our decimal place to the right of our 3, and then whenever we're multiplying a number by 1,000, we can accomplish this by simply shifting our decimal place once, twice, and 3 times to the right. And then we're going to fill those empty spaces with zeros. And then as we can see here, we get the same answer of 3,000 as we did up top. So now let's give this a try for our second problem with 12 4/10. So we're going to move the decimal place once, twice, and 3 times, and then we're going to fill in the empty spaces with zeros, giving us 12,400. So when we convert 12 4/10 of a kilometer into meters, we get 12,400 meters. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert kilometers into meters. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.